You are not going to believe what we did to the Jayco Talon's kitchen. We spent $125 and we got 5 things, all from Amazon. And Kenny actually noticed the refrigerator without me pointing it out to him. If you've been living in an RV full time, you know the kitchen is where the chaos hides. We've got a good sized kitchen in our 2019 Jayco Talon 403T. We really do, but after a travel day, cans are rolling, spices are buried, the fridge looks like a junk drawer. We don't sugarcoat it. It was a situation. So I went hunting for affordable fixes. I found 5 of them, total $124.44, and I'm going to walk you through every single one, price and all, so you know exactly what we spent and why. First up, food storage container, $24.99. I use these for flour, chocolate chips, pancake mix, all the dry goods that used to live in those bags that tip over or spill after a bumpy road. These stack, they seal tight, and after every travel day, everything is right there where I left it. Sounds small, but it makes a real difference. Next, we got clear plastic containers for the fridge for $27.99. And honestly, this one surprised me. We actually ended up using them in the cabinets instead of in the refrigerator. Things didn't fit right, so we used them in the cabinets, and I'll show you that. So make sure you stay till the end because item 5 is the one that literally saved my toe. Item 3 is a spice rack organizer that we got for $29.99. Now I know what you're thinking, Lori, it's a spice rack. Big deal. But when you're opening a cabinet after driving all day and you want those spices to have a home, this one mounts right to the wall, keeps everything visible, and freed up an entire shelf. That shelf is now doing something useful. Item number 4 were these wall-mounted utensil containers, and they were only $6.49 each. And this one is almost embarrassingly affordable. What it does, it holds all the spatulas, the spoons, the tongs, keeps them all off the counter and on the wall right there when you're ready to need them. And Mom approved of those immediately. She liked those. But the one that made the biggest difference of all are the pantry organizers. They were $27.99, and I'll tell you exactly why. Travel day, you pull into your spot, you go to open the cabinet to make dinner, and a can rolls out and lands right on your foot. That happened to me more than once, more than twice, if I'm being honest. These organizers keep everything in rows, everything in its place. They take up a lot of space. You don't get to fit as much in them. So when we're going to be at a place for a long time, we take our cans out of them. But if we're traveling, the cans go right back in those things. And when you open the cabinet now, after a full day of travel, not one thing has moved. So $27.99 might be the best money I've spent on this rig. So there it is, 5 items for $124.44 and a kitchen in the Talon that actually works like one. I'll put all the links in the description. Now tell me, what is the one thing in your RV kitchen that drives you absolutely crazy? Drop it in the comments. I read every one, and who knows, your answer might be our next video. Thanks for sticking with us, and we'll see you in the next one.